In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the chart within Dynamics 365 Customer Service Hub application. So I'm in this application and I'm under services cases, so I can see all the active cases listed within the system, or maybe I can select the view by using all cases. So this is the case view. Now, if I click on show chart, it will show me a chart listed based on the view selection. So if I select all cases, so this is the view selector. So first I select the view and then I can select the charts. Now, if you see, there are so many charts listed over here. So I have created this personal chart. Okay. And then there are some charts which are available within the system. Okay. So there are system charts, and then I created some chart from myself as well. So there's a personal chart, there is a system chart created by the system by default, and this is the system chart which I have created. So like this, we have so many charts available within the system. Now the question is, what if I want to hide some of the out of the box chart which I may not use? So how do we do that? So in order to do that, first let's go into the option of advanced settings. So if I click here on settings, I'll go to advanced settings. And once I go into advanced setting, I'll be presented with a screen. I'll go to settings, customization, customizations, customize the system. So the moment I click on customize the system, I'll be presented with the backend interface. Now here, if I go to entities and I'll select the case entity. So let me select the case entity, and under case entity, I have charts. Now here I can see all the charts which I just uh, viewed it from here, like here. So these are all the charts which is available in the backend. Okay. Yes. Now, how do I disable this? So take for example, if I want to disable case mix by priority, I'll click here and let me see any other options. So there is an option to edit the chart, import, export, show dependency, solution layer, and so on and so forth. Let me go inside the chart. So case mix by priority. Let's see if I have any option to enable or disable the chart. Now from here in this interface, I don't have anything whereby I can enable or disable the chart. So technically this option is ruled out. So I can't go into the backend and enable or disable the chart. Okay. So what do we do now? Then the other option what I have is I will edit this model driven app. So if I go here, customer service hub app, here, if I open this app in app designer, okay, so I'll open this app in app designer. So I'll technically what I'm doing is I'm modifying the model driven app. Now here it will open a nice interface where I can navigate, I can edit the navigation. And at the same time, if I navigate to the case table, so I'm in the case table as of now, on the right hand side, you will see something called as charts. So if you click on charts here, I will be presented with all the charts which I see over here. So if I click on show more, it will list down all the charts which is available within the system. Now, what if I want to hide something? So let me click here. Say if I want to hide this, if I click here, then I don't have an option to say hide it, but you have something called as a remove. Now what does that remove means? I'll just explain you in a moment. Now first let's go to the chart. Okay, and here on the bottom you says include all charts in the apps. Let's disable this. The moment you do that, it says turning this off will remove all the charts but the first one. However, you will be able to individually add charts back to the app if you need to. Turning this off will also prevent newly imported charts from being automatically added to the app. So that's fine. I'll turn this off. The moment I do that, I can see active cases by agent is in this app and others are not in this app. So let me quickly save it and publish it. So what has happened is I have just one chart now available for the model driven app. So let me publish this and show it to you live. So here, if I do a quick hard refresh, then I should be able to view only one chart. Sometimes you have to do a couple of time refresh. So if I click on show chart, then I can see only one chart over here. Okay, now other charts are hidden. Then what if I want to have some other charts listed? So if I want to see case mix by type, what I can do, I can click here and say add. The moment I do that, this will get added in this particular application. So like this, I can add other charts. So if I add like this, I can add some more charts. So now I have 5 different charts in the system. I click on save and publish, and then I'll try to refresh this page. So once this page is refreshed, then technically I should be able to see only 5 charts, 5 system charts. I click on show chart, it will show me the chart. And from in the view selector, I can see only the charts which are enabled. So if you see here, these are the charts which are enabled in the backend view. So that's it, folks. This is how you enable or disable the charts within Dynamics 365 Customer Service Hub application. So if you want to edit this particular view, then you need to edit the backend application, edit the model driven application. And from here, under charts, you can go and either include all the charts in the app or just turn it off and then try to add one by one selectively. Thanks for watching.